Welcome to Diethelm Travel online booking engine. To access our online booking, simply go to online.diethelmtravel.com. Let's say you'd like to book a trip to Thailand. Simply select Thailand from the list. At the moment, the platform only allows us to book one country at a time. However, we're in the process of developing online cross-country booking, so stay tuned. Now, log in with your username and password provided by our sales team. The login page is restricted to allow only authorized users to secure rates and make bookings directly online. When you arrive on the agent area, you will see the newsletter archive section. On the navigation bar, you can decide whether to make a booking, to look at product tariff, to do a product search, to check availability, access the media library, or look on your online account. There you are. You're now ready to make your first booking or a quotation and view your bookings afterwards.